Hello friends and welcome back. Today I'm checking out this BLEKOO self-centering dowel jig. So if you are into working with wood and things like that, it's super handy to be able to have make like little dowel holes for joining your furniture together. It just really gives it added strength and stability. So here we have our drill guides at different sizes, and then here is the main device right here. Comes with a couple of Allen keys, looks like. Let's take this out. This feels super heavy duty, and there it is there. So I like the color here. We got the markings right here: 1/4, 3/8, 5/16, 7/16, and a half. This can be adjusted to the size that you want it to be. You can clamp it on your cabinet or whatever, and I think this looks like it goes up to fairly decent size here. So up to probably, what's that, 1.5 to 2 inches. Clamp on there. Most of your cabinets or anything that you're going to be working with aren't going to be this large, but then it'll get your wood. You put your wood there, it's going to center it right in the middle as this moves these sides in, and it's going to hold it perfectly. So no matter what you have, you're working with round or different sizes of woods that goes in there, it's going to pinch it right there, and it's going to be able to put your dowels, drill your holes perfectly so that they're nice and centered. That's a really difficult thing to do, is to get the holes centered, and so a device like this would allow you to do that. So wherever you want them, you can just screw these in there just like that, and it's going to basically guide that perfectly straight down into your wood, so that way when you put your little dowels in there, those are going to be flawless. It's going to be straight, it's not going to be all crooked. So really handy product here. Let's go actually show you guys kind of how to use this. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video is worth a lot more. So let's go demonstrate this, and we'll see you guys soon.